Parents with children struggling to do well in primary school maths. Here's why weekly tuition classes and drilling practice don't work anymore. Your child may be attending tuition classes once a week. This may seem like sufficient help, but in fact, having contact with the tutor only once a week leaves your child alone without expert guidance for one entire week before his or her next lesson. This means that your child will most likely have nobody to turn to in order to clarify his or her doubts nearly all the time. After just a few weeks, he or she would have accumulated quite a lot of learning gaps that are neither surfaced nor addressed. Apart from tuition, your child may also be doing endless drilling practice with past year papers. Well, practice makes perfect, right? Wrong. Certainly not if the same mistakes are being made over and over again, since his or her learning gaps were never addressed in the first place. In this case, your child would only be perfecting his or her mistakes. That's why we meticulously designed Singapore's first Maths Heuristics integrated learning platform, with 5 different delivery modes catering to each and every learning style to help your child achieve the fullest potential in maths.